In this video, we are going to talk about different agricultural machines and vehicles that are going to make your work effortless and less time-consuming. Do watch the video till the end to know more with us. Let's not wait anymore and check out number 10. Homer. Homer is a company that manufactures machinery and equipment for agriculture. The one you are watching on the screen is Homer's sugar beet harvester that is super compact, light, and man-usable. This offers a unique solution for sugar beet cleaning from an extremely sticky soil. And imagine doing this without this machine. Then you have to put separate labors for different tasks that too can be done in a very long time. Its automatic steering system makes it very convenient and easy for the driver to drive it. Most importantly, it is economical, efficient, and ecological, but above all, it guarantees exact sugar beet harvesting. It may seem so heavy and gain at, but it is a stable and easily accessible machine to perform. And the biggest advantage of this is its equal pressure on all its four wheels that guarantees low soil pressure, even in high wet soil conditions. Also, it's easy for cleaning and maintenance. Pink Innovation. You might have got an idea after reading the name that it is going to be something pink. Well, you are right. Pink Innovation is a developer and manufacturer of machines for flower bulb cultivation. They are mainly known for their double net machines, which are the Pink Planter, Pink Tulip Head machines, and the Pink Harvester. Apart from the bulb cultivation machines, they also make extension track systems. Not only this, but the Pink Cultivation is also active on irrigation. And as they are Pink Innovation, you can see each of their products in pink color. Crop Care. Have you ever wondered, after the cultivation of crop and before harvesting it, what is the major work a farmer has to do? It's to take care of the crop. As the name says, you have probably got an idea about what is this going to be. Presenting Crop Care, that's going to take care of your crops. Yes, it's that simple. This crop care vehicle you are watching on your screens is basically a plastic wrapper that is spread unwantedly on your fields. It's easy to control as you sit on the vehicle any big issue, but it is fast, simple, and requires no troublesome activity. Weed Man. Rice production is known as one of the toughest work in agricultural field. To change this and Pig2 County Berry. Do you also often think about how the tender fruits are harvested without getting break or damaging? Well, here's the answer to your question. Presenting the Pig2, it scoops down and cuts the blueberries from the field and then collect them in the compartment where the fruits are placed. Interesting how a sharp cutting object can harvest the fragile blueberries with so much ease and in a hassle-free manner. Challenger Gator 600D. Challenger's Gator 600D self-propelled sprayer is the first machine to use AGCO's newly developed global cab. There is plenty of space for the passenger seat, which contains an integrated storage box capable of both cooling and heating the contents. It is combined with a narrower steering column. This greatly improves operator visibility out through the front. On the exterior, the fuel and AdBlue tanks have been combined and the size of the diesel tank has been increased by 90 liters from 230 to 320 liters, which brings a massive difference. The new position of the hydraulic tank behind the cab has allowed the access platform to be made of a flat floor design. This also features a totally updated technology package, including an in-house developed application control. Krone B950. The EasyCut B950 Collect is a very compact combination that has merger augers. Auger is a tool resembling a large corkscrew for boring holes in wood, but no conditioners. The massive augers merge large volumes of crop such as green rye into a uniform and clean swath. The sturdy 45cm diameter cross augers are powered by a right-angle gearbox and revolve at a consistent speed of 750 RPM, giving maximum efficiency and productivity. Arranged closely behind the cutter bars, these augers feed large volumes of crop in a consistent flow from the mowers to the middle of the combination, forming a tidy and uniform swath that is cleanly gathered by the following harvesters. The decks behind the augers open and close hydraulically for convenient selection from one of the three swathing modes from the cab, that is swathing, independent swathing, or no swathing. Z40. Z40 is an artsy and haul truck with a unique design. This truck has the largest all-battery powered ever to be put underground. Now mines that struggle with heat and ventilation have a new and more powerful tool to increase their production. Z40 raises the bar of what is possible and enables an all-new level of production and cost reduction for underground hard rock mine companies. The class that directly impacts and improves underground production. The truck's capabilities, performance, and benefits on ventilation and cooling are changing the hauling equation in the most positive way in a generation. The truck is not only zero emission, but also has the smallest footprint of any 40-ton truck on the market. No doubt it has raised the bars high for the competitor companies. Cranberry Harvest. Cranberries reach their peak of color and flavor and are ready for harvesting. What we see is cranberries are just floating on the water surface, so they must have been grown underwater. But that's not quite true. Actually, the bog is flooded with up to 18 inches of water the night before the berries are to be harvested. The growers then use water reels to churn the water and loosen the cranberries from the vine. Each berry has tiny pockets of air that will allow it to float to the surface of the water. From there, they're gathered together, loaded into trucks, and shipped off. Interesting, isn't it? Kuhn SW4014 Wrapper. A bale wrapper is a farm implement for wrapping bales in plastic for them to turn into silage. Kuhn introduces a true innovation in bale wrapping with this SW4014 wrapper. The machine has unique features like auto-load function for non-stop, fully automatic wrapping, and has the additional advantage of wrapping large square, medium square, and round bales. Along with these, it has more such features that will make this wrapper a versatile machine. The auto-loading feature leads to an increased overall capacity and creates a more ergonomic and stressless working environment during a long working day. A wheel sensor is placed on the left wheel and is used to measure the speed and distance towards the bale. So we don't think you could ask more from a bale wrapper machine, and we must say Kuhn has covered it all. Propelled merger. Presenting Oxbow's 4334, the world's self-propelled merger. Oxbow has introduced new heights in the field of crop merging through this propelled merger. This has front-mounted pickup heads, so that it won't run over your crop. This mechanism brings a different level of productivity and skill in the field. This can be operated efficiently in a hassle-free manner. Also, it has a special feature that allows operator to stop the conveyor while continuing to run the pickup heads. With improved forage quality and convenient road transport, this propelled merger beats every off its path. Rice harvester. Harvesting at the right time and in the right way maximizes grain yield and minimizes grain losses and quality degradation. Depending on the size of the operation and the amount of mechanization, rice is either harvested by hand or machine. But as we all know, that manual harvesting is a troublesome and a time-consuming process, which includes number of labors and their hard-working efforts to carry out the task. Therefore, machine harvesting is a better option to do the harvesting. The harvester you are watching on screen is a machine from Japanese company Kelatagro, which is a single-seat operation system and a very compact design that can be managed and controlled easily. On the backside of this harvester, there is a dedicated space to keep the harvested rice in the carry bags. The harvester is controlled by a gear-shaped handle. Also, it has flaps to use wherever needed. Hope you all liked the video. You can drop your suggestions and views below in the comment section.